I developed a way of looking at this through the implicate order. It's based really on quantum theory, and the way it works is to consider that there's a wave. You may think of this wave coming from outside, from the whole universe, which converges to a point and then diverges again. Now, it links everything. It means that everything is internally related to everything. Now, one of the images I gave of it was of a piece of paper which you fold up to a very small bit, and then you make cuts in it. When you unfold it, you find a pattern, right? Now, I'm proposing that basic laws of quantum mechanics can be understood in that way, that we can think of some sort of unfoldment into a wave and then re-unfoldment into something more like a particle. So then each particle then enfolds all the other particles, and in principle every part enfolds the whole. It will matter, of course, which view we hold. If we have a view of wholeness, this will enable us to work differently from when we have a view in which everything is broken up. Now, the mechanistic view tends to lead to, at least give support to fragmentation. That is, we know that our whole life is now fragmented. We can see it into nations struggling with each other, into all sorts of professional groups and ambitions, and we hardly need to and inside each person there are many fragments, different objectives and different purposes fighting each other. Now, if we take the view of mechanism, we may regard all these fragments as essentially real and independent, and then we cannot deal with it. Now, what we have to see is that these fragments are actually the result of our wrong way of looking at the whole. That we are looking at the whole as if it were made of fragments, and our very action in response to this helps to break things up some more, apparently. For example, if we say the world is broken up into nations, we see each nation as independent. And that's going on now, whereas obviously they're highly mutually dependent and organically related, or even more fundamentally. And the attempt of each nation to behave independently creates a response which strengthens the apparent fragmentation.